Do you think smoking is cool? Well, we think it's not because your physical appearance changes. You change others and the environment. Your inside health will change from healthy to life-threatening risks. Sometimes, some things you may not know about smoking are included. First reason, physical appearance changes when you smoke. Your nail begins to look dirty and black from holding your cigarette. You damage the outside of your nails. And when you smoke, you can get wrinkles around your mouth. Smoking, you can look like 50. When you smoke, you cause stains on your teeth, and if it is really gross, especially if you smile in the picture. Next, you are not the only one smoking. You smoke, you can give it to your family and kids, babies, and others. This is called secondhand smoking. The smoke will go down your lungs and their lungs and theirs. Smoking kills nature. Wildfires can start from when people drop lit cigarettes. When kids are old enough, they smoke their first cigarette, but sometimes when kids are not old enough, they try one and it's really bad. When you smoke, you can get addicted and you cannot stop. And if you don't stop, you can get hurt, and you do not want to get hurt. Your inside health will change when you smoke. And when you smoke, you can get cancer. You can die from cancer. When you smoke, your lungs turn black and it really hurts. And you can die. When you smoke, it really is painful. And you can get injured from smoking. Fact 1. Did you know that 50% of people die each year from smoking? Fact 2. Light bulbs are as bad as plain old cigarettes. Now you know why you should not start smoking. If you do smoke, I hope you stop. By Megan, Nikolai, and Lara.